Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you have dull hair, this is the video for you. I recently tried a new hair treatment, and that new hair treatment is a hair gloss, and I had never heard of a hair gloss before up until like a couple weeks ago, last month, and I tried it and I'm obsessed, and like everything else I'm obsessed about, I need to run and make a video about it. So this video is gonna be all about me trying a hair gloss for the first time. So a hair gloss is basically a hair treatment to help your hair be shiny, like on another level shiny. It helps moisturize your hair too, and if you have colored hair, it does help your hair from turning really dull, and then it also can help tone down gray hairs. You can get a hair gloss basically at every visit to your hairdressers. It doesn't damage your hair, it doesn't have ammonium in it. It really is just to like give your hair some freshness and make it look healthier, shinier, just amazing. It's not permanent, it washes out, it lasts up to 21 washes, which is amazing. I thought that was like a great number, especially considering that I don't wash my hair too much. I wash my hair on a bi-weekly, tri-weekly basis. So 21 washes is amazing for me. That's gonna last me super long. It's also a great treatment for people that haven't colored their hair, like a little bit hesitant about it like I am. It doesn't have the ammonium or any chemicals in it that will damage your hair. That's really not what I'm worried about though. I just really like my natural hair color and I'm afraid of playing with that too much. That's why I've never colored my hair really, and I just don't know what I would actually do, but anyways. So yeah, it's like a great first baby step to get you in that world. So like I said, I tried the hair gloss treatment I think about a week ago at a local salon here in Ottawa where I'm based. The salon is called Sob Salon. I am collaborating with them on Instagram right now, so this was gifted, but I highly recommend them. They were amazing. I also got a manicure and pedicure, and let me tell you, no one has ever been so precise doing my nails. The girl that did my nails there was just incredible. Like the way, okay, this is not about nails, but anyways, trust me when I say they're great over there. But back to the hair gloss. So when you get there and you get all your covering gear on, they just applied it directly on my dry unwashed hair, and they just kind of used the little paintbrush like they normally would if they were applying color to your hair. So they applied that all over my hair, really saturated it. Once that was applied throughout all of my hair, they just let it chill for I think like 20-30 minutes max. And then after the 30 minutes, they took me over to the hair wash station where they washed my hair and washed the gloss out. And then they just blow dried and styled my hair. And so it's a very quick, easy, simple process, which is really nice. I know a lot of times people go in to color their hair and it takes forever for the color to develop and blah, 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 apply the foils and all that. So a hair gloss is super quick if you're just doing the hair gloss. Once he started drying my hair, he was like, oh, can you see it? And I couldn't see it right away, but once enough of my hair, like a thicker chunk of my hair was dried, I could just see it reflecting the light so strongly. Like the shine is unreal that you get from a hair gloss. I seriously highly recommend. I don't know why this is not like more common knowledge, or maybe I'm the last one to learn, but I'm like, everyone needs a hair gloss. Like it's so good. And then just feeling my hair, I don't know if it's supposed to add smoothness to your hair, but I definitely felt like my hair was super smooth. Like I could not, I'm such a hair toucher already, and after I left the salon I was like touch, touch, touch. I was like non-stop. I wish I had better before and afters to show you guys. I didn't actually plan on doing exactly this video. I was like, oh, I'll take some footage in case I want to do a video. But once I saw the results, I was like, I need to, but I didn't do it before and after. And I totally forgot to film my hair right after. I do have some stories. They're not the best quality, but I will insert them so you can see. I don't know if you can tell like just how shiny my hair is and if the camera is picking up the shine. Maybe I should put on a light. Let me go get a light. Okay, I grabbed another light and I just want to see if you will be able to see the shine. Oh yeah. Well, like just look how much light it's reflecting. My hair is not normally like this. Normally I have really dull, just dry looking hair. I really struggle with that. But this hair gloss, girl, like my hair is so shiny, just so pretty. I'm obsessed. Like I'm so in love. I genuinely feel like I will be going to get hair glosses all the time now, or at least I think it's such a good option for a special event. I think this would be so great just to pull up with fabulous looking hair. Like I feel like a hair commercial. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed in my last video if you could tell, but I also got them to cut curtain bangs For me, I'm genuinely obsessed and in love. They did such a good job and it's so cute. If you're debating it, just go for it. Like, it's not that much of a difference, but it's exactly like the little bit of difference that I need just to add more texture up here and volume, and just be able to like shape my hair away from my face like this, if that makes sense, and just add some more, you know, up here. Look how cute. If I put my hair up, it just kind of falls in the front and it's so cute. I'm really not someone that's like super adventurous with their hair, but randomly I was like, let's do it. Let's try a hair gloss. I've never heard of it. And let's cut curtain bangs because I'm seeing it everywhere. I did mention how the hair gloss can help tone down your white hairs. I do notice it's not that, I know I have white hairs, the actual disrespect and audacity of my hair to start turning white when I'm so young and fabulous, like rude. But it's okay, it's genetic. My parents like grayed early too. But the hair gloss doesn't completely color your gray hairs. You can still see them and pick them apart from your normally colored hair, but it is toned down. It has almost this like more goldy brassy tone to it, but like not brassy in a bad way, like an auburn, like almost brown color to it. So yeah, that is all about the hair gloss. Super quick video, but I just had to tell you guys and like keep pushing hair glosses out into the internet space so that more people know about it, because it's so good. If you guys want to follow along, I will be doing updates on Instagram, just how it washes out if I see the shininess kind of dulling down and all of that. So make sure to follow me on Instagram for that. You guys can keep watching more hair content from me by clicking here and here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!